Hello guys, this is your boy Jackpot Connect. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, we discuss about various type of opportunity that is available for those that want to migrate to abroad to study or relocate with family, and different kind of opportunities like scholarship and many more. So today we'll be talking about a very good opportunity that is really going to interest you. And this opportunity that we want to talk about is a voluntary organization that based is a and this opportunity we want to talk about is an international voluntary organization that based in US and also have a branch in Canada. And this particular organization that we'll be talking about today, they are really looking for volunteers that will come into Canada or come into US to come and work in different kind of vacancies that they have opened. And the benefit of this particular opportunity that we are talking about today is that you will be entitled to free meal, you'll be entitled to accommodation, you'll be entitled to health insurance, and also they will also be giving you a financial support. And another good thing about this is that it will give you an opportunity to relocate with your family, and it will also give your children an opportunity to go to school, like all their tuitions to the uni will be paid off. And also the good thing about this particular opportunity is that they are open to any type of person as long as you are 18 years and above. So it doesn't matter where you are coming from, even though you are coming from Africa, you are coming from Europe, you are coming from Asia, you are coming from any part of the world, you are welcome to apply for this job. And also for this particular voluntary opportunity we're still talking about is that the good thing about this opportunity is that it does not require you to have an experience. All they need from you is your patience and time. They will be the one to teach you how to do the particular job. You just go online, pick what you feel you can do, you come, they teach you. And if you don't know how to speak English, don't bother about that. You don't need IELT exam, because there will be somebody there that will be teaching you how to speak English, how to write fluently, and how to communicate to people. And also, I want you guys to stay tuned, because we'll be releasing the next episode where we'll be showing you guys about this particular opportunity. We'll be giving you guys a full name, and also we'll be telling you guys how to search for this particular opportunity that we're talking about, and also how to search for the vacancies that is available so that you will know the one you will fit in for. And I know you really like what you are really watching right now. I want you to give us a thumbs up, and please, on the next episode, I will not want you guys to fast forward it. That is the reason why I want to do it episode by episode, so that it will not look so boring. So I want you guys to stay tuned. Watch the next episode. The next episode will be loading soon. Stay tuned. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, for that is what that motivates us to do such video like this. And also remember, share this video. And also, to crown it all, this particular opportunity is an opportunity that it will be kicking off by August 2023. Thank you.